Get ready to dig deep. Can you identify these amazing rocks, minerals, and crystals just by looking at them? What shiny yellow mineral is this? Is it A, pyrite, B, gold, or C, copper? It's B, gold! It is a heavy precious metal. Which of these is the hardest natural mineral on Earth? Is it A, quartz, B, diamond, or C, talc? It's B, diamond. It rates a 10 on hardness. What type of rock forms when hot lava cools down? Is it A, sedimentary, B, metamorphic, or C, igneous? It's C, igneous. It forms from cooled lava. What do we call the ancient remains of shells or bones preserved in rock? Is it A, fossils, B, crystals, or C, geodes? It's A, fossils. These are preserved ancient remains. What common rock material is melted down to make glass? Is it A, clay, B, sand, or C, coal? It's B, sand. Melting quartz sand creates glass. What black sedimentary rock is burned to produce electricity? Is it A, coal, B, obsidian, or C, slate? It's A, coal. It is burned for energy. What is this hollow rock called that has sparkly crystals hidden inside? Is it A, pebble, B, geode, or C, meteorite? It's B, geode. These rocks grow crystals inside. Which unique volcanic rock is so light that it can actually float on water? Is it A, granite, B, obsidian, or C, pumice? It's C, pumice. Trapped gas bubbles make it float. What scale do geologists use to measure how hard a mineral is? Is it A, Richter scale, B, Mohs scale, or C, Celsius scale? It's B, Mohs scale. It measures scratch resistance. What is this fossilized tree sap that sometimes traps ancient insects? Is it A, amber, B, jade, or C, opal? It's A, amber. It is fossilized tree resin. Which sedimentary rock is made from the crushed shells of tiny sea creatures? Is it A, limestone, B, sandstone, or C, shale? It's A, limestone. It is made of shell debris. What precious red gemstone is a variety of the mineral corundum? Is it A, emerald, B, sapphire, or C, ruby? It's C, ruby. It is a red corundum gemstone. What are the stony icicles called that hang down from the ceiling of a cave? Is it A, stalagmites, B, stalactites, or C, columns? It's B, stalactites. They hang tight from ceilings. Which iron-rich mineral acts like a natural magnet? Is it A, hematite, B, magnetite, or C, quartz? It's B, magnetite. It naturally attracts iron. What is this dark, shiny volcanic glass that is extremely sharp? Is it A, obsidian, B, flint, or C, slate? It's A, obsidian. It cools quickly without crystals. Which rock is created when limestone is put under intense heat and pressure? Is it A, gneiss, B, quartzite, or C, marble? It's C, marble. squeezed limestone turns into marble? What is the softest mineral on the Mohs hardness scale? Is it A, talc, B, gypsum, or C, calcite? It's A, talc. It is easily scratched by fingernails. Which mineral is famously nicknamed fool's gold because of its metallic yellow shine? Is it A, chalcopyrite, B, pyrite, or C, gold? It's B, pyrite. Its golden color fools people. Which coarse-grained igneous rock is commonly used for kitchen countertops? Is it A, basalt, B, granite, or C, pumice? It's B, granite. It is a very durable rock. Which sparkling mineral is commonly used to keep time inside wristwatches? Is it A, quartz, B, diamond, or C, ruby? It's A, quartz. It vibrates at a precise frequency. What striking green copper mineral is known for its beautiful circular bands? Is it A, jade, B, emerald, or C, malachite? It's C, malachite. Copper gives it green bands. What deep blue metamorphic rock was used by ancient Egyptians to make jewelry and pigments? Is it A, turquoise, B, lapis lazuli, or C, sapphire? It's B, lapis lazuli, prized for its rich color. What is the official mineral name for common table salt? Is it A, halite, B, gypsum, or C, fluorite? It's A, halite. It is the mineral rock salt. What is the most abundant rock layer of the Earth, located just beneath the crust? Is it A, inner core, B, mantle, or C, crust? It's B, mantle. It makes up most Earth volume. What lab-grown metal crystal is famous for its colorful stair-step hopper structure? Is it A, bismuth, B, gallium, or C, silicon? It's A, bismuth. It forms colorful rainbow staircases. What hard sedimentary rock was used by early humans to spark fires and make spearheads? Is it A, obsidian, B, flint, or C, basalt? It's B, flint. It sparks when struck. What beautiful rose-like gypsum crystal cluster forms in dry, sandy deserts? Is it A, desert rose, B, sand dollar, or C, geode? It's A, desert rose. These are sandy crystal rosettes. What rare glass tube is formed when lightning strikes sandy soil? Is it A, tektite, B, obsidian, or C, fulgurite? It's C, fulgurite. Lightning melts sand into glass. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.